First of all, the platform is using a federated model. Okay, so we're actually not aggregating all of the data into one place. Every one of the healthcare partners that are part of this ecosystem gets their own trusted data environment, and those are connected. So you can look at data together, but everything is, all of the compliance and privacy issues around this are very, very tightly managed, and the practices have the control over it. One of the issues with Gen AI and ChatGPT and large language models is that you actually have to send the data to those online servers and get the response back. And when you're dealing with sensitive data, that's a problem. Having those trusted data environments, which is an AI platform, actually allows you to, first of all, fine-tune and train large language models on the data that's sensitive inside of the environment. And the other thing is basically you have your own large language model in that place. And it's not only Gen AI algorithms, it's also traditional AI algorithms. One very important aspect of our platform is the onboarding piece, which we've built a lot of AI around data ingestion and understanding so that the overhead of onboarding onto the platform actually doesn't fall on the practice. It's a very short time to set up and get all of the data into the environment and also map it and catalog it so you can start building cohorts. And now to answer about the interfaces, once the data is in the platform, there's a data set catalog, and you can say, okay, I only want to look at IBD patients and only ones that have been treated with specific type of biologic, and only ones that are in a certain geography can build that cohort. You can drag it into, so one way you can look at those patients is through a natural language interface, but you can also drag it into an analytics interface and start plotting, looking at the flow of the patients, how many were treated with each drug, when was the next follow-up, what were the results of the labs, and then, if they switched, what did they switch to, and what were the outcomes? And you can do that through an analytics interface. Other interface that we have is a data science interface. So the platform is built to actually be able to dig into the data. This is done by practices and scientists and the life science companies and all of the partners, each based on their level of access that they're given. But it's basically the same interface.